Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect FXTM to Tradingview. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you create an account on Tradingview? Launch in the browser of your choice, so locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get right into the website, let's follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, that's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to connect FXTM to Tradingview. So the first thing that you need to see is Tradingview, or the first thing you need to find out is if Tradingview supports FXTM or if FXTM is part of the brokers list in Tradingview. How do you find that? From the homepage, head over to the top of the screen. We have this tab. These tabs that include products, community, markets, news, brokers, and more. So head over to brokers and see if you will find FXTM. Now, I'm sorry, you will not be able to find FXTM. So we have help from here. Are you facing challenges integrating FXTM with Tradingview, potentially missing out on seamless trading opportunities? Rather, let's investigate whether your broker is compatible with Tradingview. Now, you have this very heartbreaking stuff that says, unfortunately, you cannot connect to FXTM account to Tradingview. This feature is currently not available at FXTM either. So see the list of brokers that can be connected to the service below. So that's it. So you will not be able to connect FXTM with Tradingview as of July 2024. You can't connect both of them on both platforms because they do not support each other. Now, I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.